In this quick video, you're going to learn and see the exact steps you're going to be able to take to start creating instant cash payments paid directly to you from $100 to $900 in cold cash by following a simple few steps. My business partner and teammate is going to walk you through the process in just a second. Now stick to the end, because I'm going to have some special bonuses for you where you're going to jumpstart your business and get into profit and having those instant cash payments paid faster than ever before. That being said, I'm going to turn it over to my business partner and teammate who's going to walk you through the process. Remember to wait and stick around to the end for your bonuses that you have available to you right now at your fingertips.
Hey, what's going on? Joshua Elder here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how I made $400 last night. It's pretty cool. So if you're looking for a side hustle, you're looking to earn some extra money for Christmas or looking to earn some extra money over the course of the next few years, then affiliate marketing is a great platform to do that, leveraging other people's products, leveraging other people's sales material, all of their assets to build and grow a side hustle online. I do this no more than about 20 to 30 minutes a day. I have many different income streams, and this is my most favorite active income stream out there. So drop the video like if you're looking forward to the channel. Also, go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you like the idea of making money with affiliate marketing and other passive income ideas such as crypto, amongst other things. Then of course, slam that subscribe button and tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos. And I think a lot of people overcomplicate affiliate marketing. It's actually very, very easy. Find a proven system that could do all the selling and telling for you to where you don't have to constantly talk to people every day. I mean, I know what it's like when I started my business and people would hit me up on Facebook and, I'd have to sell this high ticket product that was, anywhere between $500 to $5,000 all on my own because there wasn't any automated systems in place. So I realized I had to be a salesperson, and I was new online. So not only did I have to be a salesperson, but I also had to, build an email list and know what emails to send out. And I had to create web pages and funnels. And it was super, super complicated when I first got started. Now you're fortunate enough here in 2021 where you don't have to worry about any of that stuff whatsoever. All you need to do is build the audience, get the traffic, which we show you how to do, and let the system go to work. So I made this $400 commission all completely passively without talking to anyone or without picking up the phone whatsoever. Okay. All I did is I sent people to an affiliate link. I sent people to the system, and this system took care of all of the selling and telling for me. So let me walk you through this in its entirety. All I did is step number one. This is when you're already in the system and you've set everything up. So I'm kind of going to start from the end and work my way backwards here, okay? So what I did is I went to the traffic page over here and I just simply purchased traffic, okay? I logged in, I purchased traffic, and I sent that traffic to one of the links right here, okay? You've got a few different kinds of links. You've got capture page links right here, okay? And then you've got the actual sales page links right here. Now, the difference is when you send people to a page like this, where the system captures the names and email addresses, what it's going to do is it's automatically going to follow up with those people via email through automated email messages. So you don't have to worry about sending out messages or setting up an autoresponder. Essentially, an autoresponder allows you to capture your own names and email addresses, which you want to do eventually at some point. And the system's going to teach you how to do that. But if you just want to hit the ground running, you want to start getting sales out of the gate, you want to make those $400 commissions and above, then it's best to just send people to lead capture pages. Okay. If you're more advanced, you can create your own lead capture page and then simply send people to a VSL after the capture page, which is simply just a virtual sales letter. So after somebody enters in their information on the capture page, they're actually sent to this virtual sales letter right here. Okay. Again, if you're more advanced, what you can actually do is you can connect your own capture page. So you're capturing your own names and email addresses to to the sales video or the virtual sales letter, the VSL here. Okay, and you got different versions of different lead capture pages. You have different VSLs too as well. So this lead capture page is connected to this VSL. This lead capture page is also connected to this VSL. You also have another VSL with no timer, and then you have a free book funnel. Okay, so you have a lot of options here. What you want to do as somebody that is brand new, just send people straight to the lead capture pages, okay? Or you can send them to the free book funnel. Those are the two best options. And so you're wondering, well, how am I going to get the traffic? What do I have to do, Josh? Again, all you have to do is once you get the system set up, they're going to walk you through exactly what you need to do to start getting traffic, okay? At some point, they're going to have you click this traffic button. You're going to get the traffic, and then you just sit back, okay? And then all you need to do is focus on getting more and more traffic, okay? So this is all I did. Click the Start Here button, okay? I'm going to have to log in here. Once you click the link below in the description, this will lead you to the actual system, which is this system here. Once you get inside of the members area, you need to complete all the steps. Step 1, Step 2, Step 3, and Step 4, okay? Plain and simple, that's it. On Step 1, you're going to watch this video, and then you're simply going to join the Facebook group, okay? You need to understand we've got quite the community here. We've got 11,000 members in this group, and there's people always in here willing to help others. There's people in here posting results that they're getting. And one of our team leaders, they do a wake-up call every single day. As long as you are plugged in to this Facebook group every single day, and as long as you follow the directions inside of the multiple income funnel, inside of this system here, there's no reason why you cannot succeed. The great thing about it is they do all the selling, they do all the explaining, they do all the telling, and when you set up all your different income streams on Step 2, you're actually going to get paid on all 4 of these income streams. Okay, you can easily make over $1,000 a day with this specific system. And again, all you need to do, people overcomplicate this way too much, is get your system set up, send traffic, and then simply plug into the Facebook group and show up for the calls. And if you can do that in 20, 30 minutes a day, you can have a lot of success with this, and you can start pulling in $400 commissions completely passively, doing what you love with your family, whether it's going to Christmas parties, watching the Christmas lights, or really whatever it is that you want to do. It's a 20 to 30 minute a day business. This is something that I've been doing for the past 8 years, actually about 9 years now. And it's provided this house that I live in. It's provided the cars that I have. It's provided the other real estate that I have. It's provided traveling. It's provided so many amazing things for me. And I just keep it stupid simple. Send traffic, capture leads, and then follow up. The cool thing about it though is if you're new, all you need to do is just simply send traffic. And they're going to take care of everything. And then as you get results, you can start capturing your own leads, because that's great to do because you get to own that email list. So then Multiple Income Funnel doesn't own that email list. Then you can send other affiliate offers to your email list. So tons of opportunity in the affiliate marketing space. I'll continue to update you on my progress. The awesome thing is I've been able to generate well over 6 figures using and leveraging systems just like this. And this system is innovative. It's taken what has worked for so long over the course of the past few years with systems and funnels, and they've taken that next step and made it better by creating a simpler system, better sales material, and better training. So go ahead, click the link below in the description. If you're on a separate page, there might be a button below. Go ahead and click that. I look forward to seeing you inside of the Facebook group. Go ahead, like, subscribe if you got some value from this video. If you're excited to get on this journey, and tick that bell icon to stay up to date when it comes to the multiple income funnel and other passive income ideas.
Thanks for sticking to the end of the video where my business partner and teammate Josh walk you through the multiple income funnel and how you can create instant cash commissions and multiple income streams leveraging one link. The multiple income funnel and the system does all the selling and telling for you. I want to quickly go over the bonuses that you have available to you once you get started with the multiple income funnel. Bonus number one. Now, a quick minute here. You do get, once you get started with the multiple income funnel, the link is below here if you haven't started yet, you do get bonuses from the multiple income funnel directly that you're going to have access to, and you're going to see that for yourself as you go through the getting start video. Now, these are additional bonuses that you have access to once you get started. In order to get the starter bonus package that I'm specifically offering to team members or people just like you who decide to get started under my team, and you get an upgrade instead of the monthly membership, you upgrade to an annual membership. The reason why I think this is important is because you don't have to worry about any monthly fees. You can just concentrate on getting traffic to your link. Bonus package number 2 will require you, again, to have an annual membership in the multiple income funnel. You'll need to be active in step 2 with the digital instant cash paying business, and you'll also need to be active in step 3 with the PostToProfit Academy. You have over $4,000 in bonuses here broken down in front of you. I'm not going to go over them individually. The third elite bonus package, in order to get everything that you see here, over $6,000 in value, you have to be active in all 4 income streams, plus the bonus income stream number 5 within the multiple income funnel. I want to thank you for sticking to the end so I can quickly go over these bonuses that you have available to you. Now, these bonuses will only be available for a limited time, and once they're gone, they're gone. You will never see these bonuses again. That being said, I'll see you on the next update video.